Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tolland County, Hartford County, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Heartland to near Brookfield, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, East Hartford, Enfield, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Agawam, Wethersfield, Mansfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Wyndham, Simsbury, and Bloomfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.